If you are wondering if LDAC is supported on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes, this phone does indeed support LDAC. However, it is very tricky to actually enable or disable LDAC. I'm not sure why the LDAC option or HD audio option to be precise, for Bluetooth devices is so hidden on Google Pixel 11. But if you want to actually find it, you need to go to Settings, and then you need to enable developer options, which you can do by going to About Phone. Then you need to scroll all the way down, and you need to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password. Then you can go to System Settings, and here you can find developer options. Now here in the developer options, we need to find the Bluetooth option, which is in networking over here. And then in Bluetooth, we can find the audio section, and there we go. Here we have HD audio and the audio codec. And as you can see, LDAC is available on Google Pixel 11. Leave a like and subscribe.